Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines. Now, let's see. Casserole of duck, Peking duck, duck with cherries. Ah, here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
I know that, but what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip up something. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Oh! Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no. She was different. Do you know what she used to say to me?
No.
You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly shummitting. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So, ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tuck before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me, ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle sticklebacks in the shallows. Then maybe there's time go sliding in the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh! You want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tuck before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, suck on to this. It's a crazy little game.